Hello everyone, welcome to Science classes, and today we will discuss about the electric bulb. So I have drawn an electric bulb for you all. This is an electric bulb, okay? So in this electric bulb, we see here two connectors. These are the connectors in which this is the live line and this is the neutral line. Okay. Now this one is the holder pin. This is the metal cap. When we talk about this part, this is glass tube, in which here this is a wire which is known as tungsten wire. Now this and this, these two, the red ones, these are the connecting wires. Okay, and these two, these blue one, this and this, these are the tungsten supporting wire. Okay, and the gas which is filled here, it is inert gas, can be argon or nitrogen. So this is the structure of a bulb. Now how it works? अब आप जैसे ही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑन करते हैं, स्विच ऑन करते हैं, the electron starts to flow from the live line and it comes till here. और जैसे ही ये टंगस्टन वायर के पास आता है, टंगस्टन वायर का resistivity and melting point. The resistivity and the melting point of the tungsten wire is too high. बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. और फिर ये इस वायर के थ्रू न्यूट्रल लाइन के साथ सर्किट को कंप्लीट कर देता है. So children, when the electron starts to flow in the live line from this connecting wire, it comes to tungsten. And because tungsten's melting point and resistivity is too high, it opposes the electron to flow. वो इलेक्ट्रॉन के फ्लो को अपोज करता है और खूब it becomes white hot, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाता है और ग्लो करने लगता है. And this argon gas or any inert gas which is filled, basically argon is there. ऑक्सीजन नहीं होती. अगर ऑक्सीजन होती तो क्या होता? टंगस्टन ऑक्साइड बन जाता टंगस्टन वायर के ऊपर और वो बल्ब टंगस्टन को फ्यूज करा देता, बल्ब बर्स्ट हो जाता. सो आर्गन एंड नाइट्रोजन गैस इज देयर विच प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. वो हमारे बल्ब को बर्स्ट होने से रोकती है. सो इन दिस वे फ्रॉम द लाइव लाइन द इलेक्ट्रॉन कम्स हियर. The tungsten wire, which has a very high resistivity and a very high melting point, it opposes the electron and that's why it starts to glow. And argon is again very important because this argon doesn't allow the bulb to burst, because if oxygen was there present, तो क्या बन जाता? Tungsten oxide, और वो हमारे bulb को burst करवा देता. So children, this light bulb is a very simple apparatus and it converts the electrical energy to light energy. Okay, so that was all for today. Hope you like it. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you children.